X-Pure, on the other hand, has the same bed of urethane. However, we corrugate the expanded aluminum. We give it a wave pattern. So right from the start, there's metal contact on both the fuselage and the antenna. So here, you only need a very small deflection, less than 10%, which results in very little gel squeeze out and very little force, as little as 10 psi, to achieve through conductivity. X-Pure is the trade name for custom die-cut gaskets that are conformable, they are conductive, and they are tacky. The main application for X-Pure is aircraft antenna and some ground system antennas as well, where the requirements are corrosion protection and lightning strike protection. X-Pure is made from expanded aluminum that is filled with urethane. The urethane provides the anti-corrosion properties. It tests very well under salt fog conditions and also fluid resistance. The expanded metal mesh is the conductivity portion for grounding, lightning strike protection, and also EMI shielding. What makes X-Pure a little unique is that we use this expanded aluminum, whereas traditional legacy gaskets are using a woven screen. Now, when you have a woven screen, you have all these wire contacts, and these are points of electrical resistance. So naturally, the uniform nature of expanded aluminum is going to have conductivity benefits. But another major benefit is that during conversion, for example, die cutting, the expanded aluminum will cut very cleanly, whereas a woven screen will have little frays that will stick out the edges after conversion. And these frays can potentially damage the fuselage or damage the antenna or be sources of unwanted FOD. So X-Pure takes it a step further and we corrugate the expanded aluminum. Let me show you why that's beneficial. In traditional wire mesh gaskets, the woven screen sits on the bottom of a bed of urethane. In order to get through conductivity through the gasket, this mesh has to come in contact with both the fuselage and the antenna. In order to achieve that, you have to deflect this gasket down to force that contact. Now, this deflection range is usually 40% or more. Now, what happens with all this urethane gel? Well, it squeezes out the sides and causes a big mess. In addition, in order to achieve this deflection requirement, you have to have tremendous force, upwards of 600 psi, to force this through conductivity. Now, the real danger here is that if you don't deflect this gasket enough, if you don't apply this tremendous force, then you've essentially stalled a non-conductive gasket, and your antenna will not be protected from lightning strike. X-Pure, on the other hand, has the same bed of urethane. However, we corrugate the expanded aluminum. We give it a wave pattern. So right from the start, there's metal contact on both the fuselage and the antenna. So here, you only need a very small deflection, less than 10%, which results in very little gel squeeze out and very little force, as little as 10 psi, to achieve through conductivity. Another major benefit is that you have a uniform surface on both the top and the bottom, whereas in traditional woven screen gaskets, the mesh only sits on one side. Therefore, there's an orientation requirement here. These gaskets are labeled this side up, this side down. X-Pure requires no orientation. So therefore, With XP-URE, every single time you get a mistakes-free installation that is conductive. Here at Parker Chomerics, we have manufacturing locations and applications engineers in both the United States and globally, providing problem-solving expertise and design support wherever our customers need it.